everyone, I am Manpreet Kaur. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe. Before we begin, please take up a moment and subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I am going to share my honest review about Yes Madam facial service. Like मैं Yes Madam से facial service और manicure, pedicure mostly करवाती रहती हूँ. But this time I tried Korean facial because Korean वैसे भी बहुत viral था, like Korean skincare और Korean makeup. So I thought कि ये viral Korean facial try करते हैं. And I'm going to share my honest review कि कैसे प्रोसेस मैंने कैसे ये बुक किया. आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर दैट ऑल्सो. एंड मतलब क्या था, हाउ इज द प्रोसेस और कितना टाइम लगा, इट्स वर्थ इट और नॉट, शुड यू गो फॉर इट और नॉट, वट एवर इट इज. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर एवरीथिंग. सो फर्स्ट आई शो यू द बुकिंग का प्रोसेस. बहुत ईजी, ऐसा कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं है. देन वील टॉक अबाउट द प्रोसेस एंड फाइनली द रिव्यू. So I guess without further ado, let's quickly start the video. Yes, so first आप download कर लो Yes Madam service and then you just have to scroll down. You can go to particular facial waxing or better I would suggest to go to the package section. Okay, so when you click on the package, you can customize the package also. For example, if you have the waxing kit, so you can remove the product also. Or if you want, they should do the facial also with your own product. You can remove the product and just add the service cost. And one more suggestion I can tell you. If you are trying the Yes Madam service frequently, so you must be having the disposable gown also, right? That they give. So you can remove that disposable price also from the Yes Madam service after you check out. So you can ask the beautician to just remove that. So your 60 rupees also, you can, get the refund for that as well. So I think that also you can try out. And other than that, yes, just click on the checkout. You can select the slot which you want and you can add or delete whatsoever thing you want to do it. Customize accordingly, just select the beautician and yeah, just check out. Either you can pay on cash on delivery or what is cash on delivery? Myntra se or Amazon se order hota hai na ki cash on delivery. Leave it. A whole pampering session is done, then also you can pay. And otherwise you can pay Paytm and everything. So I guess yeah, बहुत simple, ऐसा complicated नहीं है, तो you can definitely book. And yeah, चलो अब देख लेते हैं कि process कैसा रहता है. So overall, I really liked the facial. The whole experience was really relaxing, pampering, therapeutic. And Korean glow का तो नहीं पता, like Korean skin तो नहीं पता, but I guess glow तो था. Glow definitely था and 1 week तक stay भी किया था. And package लोगे ना तो it would be budget friendly as well. अगर आप सिर्फ like facial लेते हो, it would be little costly. But अगर आप पैकेज लेते हो, like you can add waxing, you can add manicure, pedicure or something, so definitely budget friendly हो जाएगा. And I guess it's a thumbs up from my side. Definitely glow up था. मुझे अपनी skin का texture बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था. Hydration तो बहुत मिल गया था skin को. So I think definitely it's a thumbs up from my side. You can go for it. And if you have also tried, do let me know in the comments below how was your experience. Or if you have any other suggestions or if you want I should try any other service from Yes Madam, whatever it is, just drop your valuable comments in the comment box. And yeah, if you love this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.